Some of the questions are: how to use this? What's the shelf life? Does this really work? Hey girl, this really works well. And this is how you can use it. Wake up in the morning and wash your veal with this water and store the remaining one in the fridge for 4 days. So use this water 5 times, 5 days a week, and you're good to go. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to Aroma Talks and welcome to the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade remedy for V tightening. So these are some of the ingredients you're going to be needing today. And our first ingredient is cloves. Cloves are super good when it comes to V tightening. They also help to treat UTIs. And as you can see, I'm going to be using dried cloves today. Our second ingredient is tea tree essential oil. I love essential oils so much and I use them a lot. If you've been following me for months, then you know I love essential oils. So tea tree is really good when it comes to treating UTIs. I'm also going to be using dried garlic clove, but if you don't have garlic clove, for example, you can use ginger. And I'm going to be going with sweet almond oil today as my carrier oil. Pure and natural. Then I'm also going to be needing some container, a storage container, and I prefer glasses. Some measuring cups, I also have a strainer, and then some distilled water. Today I'm going to be using about 2 cups of cloves, and I'm going to go ahead and wash them first. So guys, if you can't find cloves in your local area, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can find them. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to me, and if you like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, videos like this, then you don't miss out. Now go ahead, strain your cloves. Grab your container and pour your cloves into it. Measure 2 cups of water and add it as well. Chop your garlic into small pieces. Also, if you're using ginger, peel your ginger and cut it into small pieces. Also guys, I made a video on how to use garlic and other ingredients for UTIs treatment. So if you have issues with UTIs, make sure to watch this video. There is a link below. Cover your container with an airtight lid and place it somewhere cool. Let it sit for about 24 hours. So we're back guys, and as you can see, our water already changed the color. It's more brownish. Now go ahead, add some sweet almond oil. And add some 5 drops of your essential oil. Then mix well. Okay, who else loves the smell of the cloves? I just love it. And now that I've added my tea tree essential oil, sweet almond oil, oh yeah, it smells really amazing. Let's go ahead and strain this since we're going to be using only water. Some of the questions are, how to use this? What's the shelf life? Does this really work? Hey girl, this really works well. And this is how you can use it. Wake up in the morning and wash your veal with this water and store the remaining one in the fridge for 4 days. So use this water 5 times, 5 days a week, and you're good to go. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.